I recently moved from a two-bedroom apartment to a studio, and today I'm gonna do the final cleaning of the two-bedroom apartment before I turn it over to the landlord. I usually do this. I don't like leaving things dirty. And the thing is, usually if you leave things dirty, you're gonna leave some of your things behind. So it's actually, I think, more beneficial if you clean the house before you turn it over to the landlord, unlike what most people are doing, just leave it as a mess and have the landlord clean it. That's not my style. So anyway, I'm gonna show you what the two-bedroom apartment looks like. I was renting it for 9,000, and yeah, I'm gonna show you what a 9,000 peso two-bedroom apartment looks like in Iloilo City. This is actually a place that could have been improved, and if they improve the place, it could cost 12,000. But my landlord is not really money aggressive, which is a great thing. This is actually just an extra house for them, so they're not too aggressive about how they could earn money from it. And I like those types of landlords too, because they wouldn't be pressuring you to pay earlier or anything like that. And they wouldn't be charging you for certain things, like if you have a pet, I'm going to charge you this and that and whatever. So they don't have issues like that because, as I said, he is not money aggressive. He's pretty cool. He just asks for the rent if you're late. Sometimes I'm late because I forget. And recently I resigned from the job, so I had to leave the apartment. So it's sort of not the best thing, just because the puppy wants a yard, but we need to do things. Apartment. And now I'm gonna show you what the two-bedroom apartment looks like. What, you dying? What's wrong? Anyway, I'm gonna show you what the two-bedroom apartment looks like when it's empty, so that you have an idea of what two-bedroom apartments in Iloilo look like. I rent this for 9,000 pesos, so that is less than $200, so probably like $80, 180. Wait, I can't do this math right now because we need to go. Oh, traffic on a Saturday morning. Savannah subdivision, and this is the entranceway to the villages, to the, I don't know, subdivision parts. So there's three main subdivisions here: Savannah Glades, Savannah Trails, and supply the other one because I forgot what it is. Alright, this is it. This is the two-bedroom house. Alright, let's quickly see what's inside. So this is your door. This opens to your living area. So your living area would be this. So you can put your couch here. And then you have your kitchen dining area over here. So it's a little space, but you can fit a couch, a dining table, and you can cook there. Normally it's gonna be empty, no fridge, no dish rack, no racks, no trash bin. You get it, no rack, not that, no chair, no fan. But I'm leaving all these here for the next tenant. Hopefully they appreciate it. I'm leaving the broom, and this is supposed to be a clothes hamper. Okay. And yeah, if they like paint thinners, they will be so happy about this. Okay. So that's and this is the bathroom. So it's not much. So you have your shower, you have this. I used to have a better mirror, but I'm not leaving that here, so. Okay, just one bathroom for the whole house. So let's check the upstairs. Right. So you got this area right here. The vinyl got removed because it got wet. I don't know why. There's construction from the other house, so that's what you're hearing, in case you're wondering. So this space I use as a drying space. So this is where I dry my clothes, because I leave the clothes while I'm at work, so I don't want it outside where it might rain. So, and then this is the first, or actually this is the second bedroom, just a small one. Maybe you could fit a double. No, not really. This is just for a single bed. You can't fit a double because you won't be able to open the door anymore. Okay, you can have one drawer here and another small drawer here, right? Okay. This is the first bedroom. So this is larger and it's got the AC. This used to be my bedroom, and this is my bed and my mattress. I'm leaving that here. Okay. I used to have 2 clothes racks here, so it looks like a open closet sort of thing, open walk-in closet. All right. That's it. And this is a 9,000 peso house. Oh, let's see where you can wash the dishes. All right, so we're going outside. This used to be my laundry area. This is where the washing machine used to be. It's elevated, so the drainage from the washing machine would have no problem. And then I have another clothes drying rack here, and that's the hose for the machine. I'm leaving it here because I don't need it anymore, and the next tenant might be able to use it. And this is the dirty kitchen. It looks really dirty. Now, I do not remove the cobwebs because they said it's gonna help with the mosquitoes. Not so sure, but maybe. Okay, so this is where I wash the dishes. I don't really go here often because look at it. So the main the main function of this area is for washing dishes, and that's it. If you notice, there's a faucet supposedly here. There's a sink here, but there's no faucet. It's not working. So basically this is just an area where I put the dirty dishes until I'm ready to
wash them outside. And then this is the small yard. Elo loves this yard. I'm gonna miss the yard and my failed gardening stuff. Alright, and that's it. This is what 9,000 can get you in the Philippines. Bye, house. I'll miss you. I'll miss you, yard. I'll miss the malunggay. I'll miss the mangoes.